Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Place the Ultra 2 face down on a soft cloth and power it off or lock the screen so you don't trigger taps. Use your thumbs to find the two elongated release buttons on the watch's underside, one for each side of the band. Press and hold a release button firmly while you slide the band out sideways. This prevents catching the lug. Once done, repeat for the opposite side and make sure the band slides smoothly free before moving to the next step. Now you remove one side fully, then prepare the new band. Hold the replacement so its internal rail sits flush with the watch slot and gently insert it straight in. Do not angle, because misalignment can scratch the rail. You should feel or hear a soft click when the latch engages. If it doesn't, pull back and try again while pressing the release button. Once one side is secure, repeat on the other side, making sure the band's orientation matches how you prefer to fasten it. Finish by wiggling each band end firmly. If properly seated, there's no lateral play and the latches are engaged. Put the watch on briefly to confirm comfort and secure fit, then reattach any case or screen protector you removed. If a band won't click in, don't force it. Remove and check the rail and slot for dirt or debris, wipe with a soft cloth, and retry at a slightly different angle. If problems persist, try the original band to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.